Bringing this latest market news, I'm Uliana. Asian stock markets are modestly higher on Friday, despite the negative cues from Wall Street and lower crude oil prices overnight. Investors continue to be optimistic after the US Federal Reserve maintained its interest rate forecast for this year and keyed into the next set of steps for US economic policies as the Trump administration gears up its healthcare and tax cut plans. China's Shanghai Composite dropped 0.80%, while in South Korea the Kospi rose 0.67% as the yen weakened against the dollar. Hong Kong's Hang Seng was up 0.14%. Overnight, US equities closed mostly lower on Thursday. At the close, Australia's S&P ASX 200 gained 0.24%. Japanese benchmark Nikkei 225 fell 0.40% on Friday. The dollar traded lower against a group of rivals on Friday after the Federal Reserve failed to adopt a more aggressive outlook concerning the pace of rate hikes this year. The US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a trade-weighted basket of 6 major currencies, eased 0.08% to 100.01, heading down more than 1% on the week. The pound traded sharply higher against the dollar, hitting a 2-week high of $1.2373 US after the Bank of England left interest rates unchanged but hinted that a rate hike could be in the pipeline. Great Britain pound US dollar was last quoted at $1.2370 US, up 0.10%. Australian dollar US dollar traded at 0.7693, up 0.21%, while the US dollar Japanese yen was steady at 113.31. US consumer sentiment, which could be heading for a negative surprise soon, is in focus today. US March University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment, 14 GMT. The March mid-month consumer sentiment reading is expected to rise to 97.5. That is quite a steep rise from 96.3 in February, as the news flow has not been especially positive during that period. The sentiment index tracks the unemployment rate very closely. The unemployment rate is already quite low and close to the last two previous bottoms, which preceded the financial crisis and the dot-com bust. The consumer sentiment index itself on the longer charts is mean reverting and is close to previous highs. The momentum may carry the index higher from here, but the top is close. Perhaps the January 2015 high was the beginning of a topping out pattern. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.